Before we get started, a quick disclaimer. The information in this video is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. Always consult with a qualified healthcare professional before making any medical decisions or joining a clinical study. Standard medical visits are typically reactive. You wait for symptoms to appear, get a 15-minute consultation, and leave with a basic blood pressure reading. Elite longevity care operates differently, using advanced diagnostics to map biological risks years before they surface. But these private clinics often charge tens of thousands of dollars out of pocket. There is, however, a specific system that allows you to access this high-end diagnostic profiling for free. In many cases, participants actually receive compensation, ranging from a few thousand to over $10,000 for their time. Top-tier biohackers and longevity researchers aren't only paying for private care. They are active participants in this medical system to track their own physiological data with extreme precision. Clinical research is frequently associated with testing experimental drugs on the sick. In 2026, these trials often serve as the testing ground for biotechnologies that won't reach the general public for another decade. They focus on the mechanisms of healthy aging and physical optimization. By participating, you gain a data-driven map of your personal longevity, identify underlying health risks early, and use medical technology that is years away from FDA approval or commercial release. For those looking to extend their health span, joining a clinical study is a calculated, financially rewarding strategy. The process begins with a screening phase. For a healthy volunteer, this functions as a comprehensive executive physical. Researchers administer high-level tests, including metabolic panels, genetic mapping, and MRIs, to create a detailed baseline of your health. At a private clinic, these tests result in a bill totaling thousands of dollars. In a clinical trial, the research institution covers every cent. They cover these costs because they require high-fidelity baseline data to measure how your body operates before studies begin. This exchange provides you with a comprehensive health blueprint, managed by specialists who are often the leading researchers in their respective fields. Moving a medical discovery from a laboratory to your local pharmacy typically takes 10 to 12 years. A clinical study acts as a VIP pass that bypasses this wait. It grants you access to medical protocols that won't be standard practice until the 2030s. This includes testing wearable devices with research-grade accuracy or trying next-generation supplements designed to influence cellular aging. Not every trial involves new drugs. Observational studies track how specific exercise routines change brain chemistry or how dietary shifts alter the gut microbiome. Participants use the highest tier of laboratory equipment to identify which daily habits actually improve their biomarkers. Skepticism regarding the safety of new medical protocols is a necessary part of the process. Studies generally fall into two categories. Observational trials simply monitor your current health and habits, while interventional trials test a specific new treatment or device. Modern research is heavily regulated. Institutional review boards monitor every protocol to ensure participant safety and strict adherence to ethical guidelines. These studies are controlled environments where the primary goal is to minimize risk to the participant while gathering precise scientific data. These studies are not exclusively for patients with existing conditions. Many are specifically looking for healthy volunteers to help establish norms for optimization. You can find these opportunities by searching official databases like ClinicalTrials.gov. By using the search filters, you can locate low-risk observational studies or lifestyle-based interventions in your local area. The protocols that will define the next decade of healthcare are already being used in these studies, and they offer a rare opportunity to be compensated for experiencing them early. When you hear the word experimental, your mind likely jumps straight to the absolute most dangerous scenarios imaginable. There is a widespread cultural assumption that medical research treats people like helpless human guinea pigs, subjected to testing with no regard for their safety. But that perception is a complete myth. The reality of modern medical regulation is incredibly strict, operating under intense oversight and strict ethical standards. This fear creates a massive bottleneck, preventing volunteers from participating in the necessary steps to develop cures for major diseases. We are currently searching for breakthroughs for conditions like Alzheimer's, heart disease, and diabetes. Science hits a wall when there are no human volunteers to bridge the gap between laboratory theories and real-world medicine. Modern trials prioritize the individual. The entire system is built to ensure the volunteer remains in control of their experience. Addressing the fear behind that experimental label might be the most direct path toward advancing the future of global healthcare. The foundation of any clinical trial is built years before the first human is involved. Treatments must pass through rigorous laboratory testing and clear multiple ethical review boards. Look at the timeline for a new treatment. This massive preclinical section represents years of data verified before human testing. In Phase 1 and 2, safety is the primary objective, establishing a clear profile before testing effectiveness. By the time you enter a trial facility, the treatment has been heavily vetted. The data effectively neutralizes the idea that these are reckless experiments. Beyond the science, you have a legal tool for protection: informed consent. This isn't a standard software agreement that people scroll past without reading. It has significant legal weight. The document provides a transparent, plain language breakdown of the science, the procedures, and every potential side effect identified in previous testing. You also have the power to stop at any time. If you decide on day 2 that you no longer wish to participate, you can walk out the door. From the first day to the last, you retain 100% autonomy, serving as a volunteer collaborator in the research process. When you participate in a study, the impact scales far beyond your personal health or the stipend you receive. Every medication in your home exists because a volunteer chose to participate in a trial. The modern pharmacy system is entirely dependent on the data gathered from historical clinical trials. We have seen massive historical shifts in health, like the eradication of polio, made possible only by those who stepped forward to participate. Today's life-saving hospital treatments still rely on that same foundation of human participation. The data your participation provides could be the specific evidence that saves someone's life a decade from now, maybe even someone in your own family. If you want to get involved, you have to use verified channels, avoid message boards or sketchy recruitment ads. The gold standard is ClinicalTrials.gov. It's a government-maintained database where you filter studies by location, health status, or specific areas like sleep science. Major university hospitals also have dedicated portals for local volunteers, which are highly secure and professional. A few minutes of research can significantly improve your personal health and longevity. Leave a comment below if you want a guide on searching these databases, and hit subscribe to stay on top of the latest in health optimization.